Hello YouTube family, how are you? I hope all are you good and happy. Welcome to Fashion Forward, where style takes the lead and every step counts. Today we are diving into the world of footwear that's designed to turn heads, straight to high heels, moles and sandals. Whether you are dressing for a glamorous night out or an effortlessly chic day, these shoe styles are guaranteed to elevate your look and confidence. Let's start with the Stiletto heel, the epitome of elegance, power, and sophistication. These sleek cylinder heels are not just shoes, they are a statement of grace and strength. Every woman knows that slapping into a pair of stilettos instantly transforms the way you walk, talk, and feel. Whether it's a 3-inch boost or a dramatic 6-inch stilettos, these shoes create a flawless silhouette that elongates your legs and elevates your style. Pair them with a fitted dress for a date night or sleek trousers for a bold office look. No matter where you are headed, stilettos demand attention and guarantee a lasting impressions. What's your favorite way to wear them? Next, let's slide into the comfort meets style magic of moles. Moles have made a massive comeback and for good reasons. With their sleek, backless designs, moles offer the ease of sleeping in and out while keeping your look effortlessly chic. Whether you are at the office or stepping out for brunch with friends, moles are versatile and always on trend. From low black heels for those casual days to stiletto-heeled moles for when you needed that extra glam. There's a mole for every mood and occasions. They're perfect for transiting for day to night, seamlessly blending comfort with the sophistication. Do not we all love a show that does it all? And finally, we step into the world of sandals, the go-to for every woman's warm weather wardrobe. Whether it's a casual weekend or a sunny getaway, sandals offer a laid-back wave without every compromising on style. From strappy gladiators to chic minimalist, flat sandals provide comfort, breathability, and effortlessly elegance, perfect for those easy breezy days. Need something for a beach day or a summer evening out? Sandals with a small heel or ankle strap can elevate even the simplest outfit. Plus, with so many designs and colors, there's always a perfect pair to match your personality and mood. So, which sandal style you are stepping into this season? From towering stilettos that make a bold statement to the effortless charm of moles and the breezy elegance of sandals, the right pair of shoes can completely transform your look. Thanks for watching Fashion Forward. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion inspiration, styling tips, and more must-have wardrobe updates. Remember, confidence starts from the ground up, and it's always in style.